So do you have a business idea that you've been thinking about for a while? Well, in this video, we are going to go through the 5 top reasons why most businesses fail. Welcome to Golden Touch Academy, helping you achieve financial freedom and time freedom so that you can do the more important things in life. Subscribe below to bring that golden touch into your life. In one hadith, it's mentioned that you are the company that you keep. In another, it's mentioned that good company has the example of the person who goes into a perfume shop. They go to the perfume shop, they don't buy anything, but they come out smelling nice. Bad company has the example of the person who goes to the blacksmith and they don't buy anything, but they come out and their clothes are dirty and they smell as well. So what is this? This is the number one reason why most people fail, and that is because of the wrong network or no network. So please avoid the wrong people and the naysayers who will put you down. You have an idea, you want to do business, and they say, this is not for you, stay in a job, you can never do this. The naysayers are the wrong network. So avoid them like the plague. And remember, in the business world, it's very well known that you are the average of the 5 people that you keep. The average of the 5 people whose company you keep. Who are those 5? I want you to pause the video now and ask yourself this question. Who are the 5 people I keep the most company with? Whoever they are, I'm the average of them. Pause this and write those names down. The second reason why most people fail in business is because of having the wrong mentors, or in most cases having no mentors. Who is a mentor? A mentor is the person who's traveled the journey that you're on, and they can look back, hold your hand and take you on that same journey. A mentor can save you from traveling 10 years of journey and speed it up into just 1 year. The third reason why most businesses fail is because the staff, the business owners, you stop learning. You should never stop learning. We are students from cradle to grave. So learning is something that is ongoing all the way to the end of your life. There is always more to learn, and there's knowledge that you know that you know. There's knowledge that you know that you don't know. And then the third one is there is knowledge that you don't know that you don't know. Think about those 3. And the fourth reason why most businesses fail is because of the wrong mindset. Mindset is such a huge factor to being and having a successful business. And just the very first mindset that I'm going to mention is enough for a person to get started. And what is that? If you have a self-limiting belief, a self-limiting belief is where you believe that you're limited, that you can't go to the next step, something stopping you internally. So for example, I'll give you, in a salary, in a job, your salary is limited. It's limited. But when you're a business owner, when you're self-employed, you have no limits to your salary. So when you believe this, that my salary is unlimited, I can earn how much I want, this is a belief, and from that belief you can begin to earn a lot more. But if you believe that my salary, my income will only be a certain amount, guess what? It will be. And there's a wonderful saying that if you believe you can, or if you believe you can't, you're probably right. So mindset is utmost important, and we will be doing a series on mindset, but we will also be teaching this face-to-face in person in our workshop, which is called How to Leave Your Job in 18 Months, link below. The 5th is actually so important, because without this, the business, you will give up. Passion. If you don't have a driving passion to do what you're doing, then one day you'll get bored, or you will lose the will to do that business. You will have no interest in it, and you will just maybe even sell it if it's sellable. If it's not sellable, you'll just close down. You have to find what you're passionate about in order to do a business, so that your vocation and your vacation become one. Your passion and your profession become one. So please don't make these 5 mistakes, because if you can avoid them, your business is much more likely to be successful. So if you have an idea, a business idea, and you want to be able to replace your income, leave your job, have financial freedom, have time freedom, but you don't know where to start, then come along to our workshop, link below, and we can help you. We will be able to give you a proper system, a proper plan, detailed enough for you specifically on a one-to-one basis, so that you can replace your income with the options available to you at this time. So you must have a business idea. If you're watching this video, you must have a business idea. Tell us what you've been thinking about. Don't worry, we're not going to take your idea. Comment below and let us know what's stopping you.